This might be us though. Righto guys, welcome back to another one. Down here at Sandy Cape, something a bit different. Probably not going to be doing too much fishing, but thought grab the GoPro and we'll take you guys around on the adventure. It's my beautiful wife's birthday, so we're down here for a couple of days. It is a Friday. It is absolutely packed on the southern spot, so we're up here at a nice beach spot. So kids are playing, wife's happy. The patrol and the new setup, which I'll show you in a minute, is up there. Got a few people coming down. Got Big Hunty, he's coming tomorrow about lunchtime. So yeah, we're gonna head out to some caves tomorrow, and yeah, we'll take you along for the adventures. Stay tuned. So guys, this is our spot. So that's the big, you've seen the big naughty girl in the rig rundown. So that's her there, pretty self-sufficient. You know what's in that, what that's about. And then this is the new bus. It's a PMX camper, 2019 camper. So soft floor, we went a soft floor, originally wanted a hard floor, but anyway, the price was right, so made that happen. So yeah, this is our setup. We've got a little beach location, absolutely packed down the southern side. So yeah, we couldn't get a spot down there, even though we got here probably 10 o'clock on a Friday. So yeah, no spots down there. On your way in, guys, which you would have seen in the intro, there is an honesty box there, guys. It's 20 bucks. Even though we're not using the facilities, it's to keep this place clean, this place going, and this place open. So do the right thing, put your money in that, and yeah, head on down to the spot. There's heaps more spots north of us, so heading up towards Greenhead. So, but yeah, we sort of seen this one and snagged it. So sort of got our own little private beach where the kids are down here. And yeah, this is what we're going to call home for a few days. And yeah, we'll take you guys with us. A few snags. Lovely wife. Lovely view. Oh, big patrol. This is living. Just had a little cheeky visitor. There's a Dugite up here. There he is. Hopefully you guys can see it without me getting killed. There he is in there. There's his head. But that is a Dugite. And if that tags you, you will not be very happy. So I'm going to slowly back away and monitor him. Not ideal. There he is. There he's coming out there. So it's a good time to explain how afraid my wife is of snakes and how much I am a lover. Probably a metre away, if that. But if you don't hurt them, they won't hurt you. So, very inquisitive snake. It's a juvenile Dugite.
What if it comes in here?
No, he's alright, he's gone.
Where's it gone?
It's alright, it's gone.
Where'd it go?
Up over here. So, it's well off. Camping out in the bush. You got to expect it.
Dad, it's too soft. It's working.
Alright, Sienna, watch out. Told ya. Oh, she's out.
Beautiful, we did it. Righto guys, so we got them out. A little aggressive, but Amaroks aren't the greatest four-wheel drives. They don't have low range. All the tyres on our car were bald, unfortunately, so that was against us. And a heavy van, so it was a bit aggressive. The big girl got it done. So let's go for a swim. I've learned to swim. Let's go. Righto legends, here with Paul from Hose Masters.
G'day!
Usually we use his stunt double for obvious reasons, but Paul also owns one of the ultimate four-wheel drives, TD42 Patrol. And Paul, you're out saving the day like me right now, eh?
Well, at the moment I'm at 15 PSI and it is soft, so we'll see what happens.
It's a soft beach, but...
And if this bogs down, it's not my fault, it's the sand's fault.
It's the sand's fault, 100%. So we've got a big custom 80 series.
Also, I've got push bike getter out of the way.
It's got a good horn in that.
Just
big,
making sure you got to alert people before you reverse.
100%. Big 80 series, custom 80 series. Check them out, Custom Cars and Boat Electrics. And we've got a BT50 stuck, and obviously the big GU. You've seen the rig rundown, you've seen how good it is, but that's what we got going on there. So I don't want to say it, guys, but another patrol saving the day. So Paul saves the day. That's one out. Big 80s left. Fingers crossed I don't get stuck. And yeah, so this is, guys, I probably should have explained it. As you drive into Sandy Cape, there's a beach access sign. Apparently you can't go to the south, so we've come up towards the north. So yeah, as you come into Sandy Cape, you got the beach access on the left. And yeah, we've got onto the beach access and come up north. Beautiful spot to swim. Paul was saying that there was a sea lion pup that was swimming around. So yeah, it's a bloody good spot for lunch, guys. So yeah, if you're down this way, if you're in Sandy Cape, definitely, if you can, get on the beach, but it is super soft, guys. Let those tyres down. Righto, guys, so that's day one of being down here at Sandy Cape. So just cooked a pretty cruisy dinner. Got some guys, Paul from Hose Masters and the guys that you've seen earlier on. They're staying down, they got a lot bigger vans than us, so they're staying down in the actual designated sort of campsites. You still camp where we are. So yeah, so sun's setting, guys. I'll probably get the drone up and show you guys how beautiful this place is. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hunty's rocking up. We're gonna go to the caves, might have a fish, might even drone fish, see what's going down. But yeah, I'm destined to get my wife on the channel. She does her own YouTube thing and she doesn't want to sort of take away from ours, but I'll get her on tomorrow. And yeah, it's actually her birthday. That's why we've sort of come up here. So yeah, happy birthday, Mrs. B. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Enjoy this drone footage. Righto, guys, so it's morning of day two. Unfortunately, we're not at Sandy Cape anymore. Last night the missus got bloody crook as, so we sort of packed up early hours and shot back home. So it's just past lunchtime now. Hunty, the big fella, we told him not to come up. So yeah, we're meant to do quite a bit of filming this trip. Quite a few things planned today. but unfortunately you take the good with the bad, and yeah, it is what it is. Meant to film a rig rundown on the big girl, but that obviously didn't happen, so you'll hear me cross-reference the rig rundown, but unfortunately we're gonna have to film that another time. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you do take the good with the bad, so that's why we are gonna drop this episode. But yeah, hope you guys like the episode, and yeah, cheers for watching.